Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike. Today we're going to be installing an intercooler on my B9 S5. I was able to actually pick this up used with the CTS Turbo Intake as well, which I'm going to pop the hood real quick. I planned on making a video installing both of them, but after realizing it was only one bolt, I went ahead and just did that already. I'll throw some sound clips in here. So we got the car all jacked up. We're gonna go ahead and start getting the front bumper off. There's just a couple of easy things, and then there's a few clips inside here. There should be at least one bolt on the inside. This top panel is gonna come off, and then we can go ahead and pull the whole front bumper off. Let's just jump into it. Alright, front bumper is off. Apparently it collects every bit of leaves in the world, so we'll go ahead and clean that out. Apparently if you're making it this far and you live in Minnesota, it's probably a good idea to go ahead and get rid of all the leaves that you're collecting. There's a lot of them. So speaking of leaves, just so you can see what I'm talking about, look at all the leaves I've collected. Alright, intercooler is out. The new intercooler and the old intercooler is pretty crazy. Alright, other intercooler is out, everything is clean. Let's work on getting the new intercooler in here now. Day 2 of doing the intercooler. I just received my shipment from CTS Turbo, which is going to be the charge pipe, so we're going to go ahead and throw that in, get the intercooler in, and then we'll button this back up and we should be good to go. So we're taking this clamp off. We're gonna go ahead and pull this charge pipe off. We're gonna leave the mass airflow sensor on, although I unhooked it already. And then this black plastic plate gets replaced as well. So I just got that loose. This should pop right off. Yeah. Old charge pipe. It says don't get any dirt in here. New piece that's going in there. CTS Turbo charge pipe. It looks great. It fit really great. It's also got this little adapter plate that goes on there. The most fun part of the project is that APR front intercooler. Well guys, the front bumper is on, car is put back together, intercooler is in, charge pipe is in, intake is in, car is ready to go. If you guys have any questions about what we did, how we did it, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.